the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, Article 3, Bill of Rights. Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any persons be denied the equal protection of laws. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature for any purpose shall be involvable. No search warrant or warrant of arrest should issue except upon probable cause to determine personally by judge after examination under oath or affirmation, and the complainant and the witnesses he may produce and particularly describe the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Section 3, Paragraph 1. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety orders requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Section 3, Paragraph 2. Any evidence obtained in violation of this or the preceding section shall be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, the free exercise and enjoyment of regulation, prosecution, and worship, without discrimination or preference, shall forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required for the exercise of civil or political rights. Section 6. The liberty of abode and the changing the same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court. Neither shall the right travel be impaired except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health, as may he provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized, access to official records, and to documents and papers pertaining to official act, transaction, or decision, as well to government research data use as basic policy. Development shall be afforded the citizen subject to such limitation as may be provided by law. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employed in the public and private sector, to form unions, associations, or societies for purposes not contrary to the shall be not abridged. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. Section 10. No such inspiring of obligation of contrast shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to court and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of poverty. Section 12. Paragraph 1. Any persons under investigation for any commission of the offense shall be have the right of inform of the rights for remain silence and to have competent and independent counsel, preferably of his own choice. If the persons cannot afford the service of counsel, he must be provided with one. The rights cannot be made except in writing and the presence of counsel. Section 3, paragraph 2. No torture, force, violence, threat, intimidation, or any others means which betted the free will shall be used against him. Secret detention, please. Solitary, communicado, or other similar form of definition are prohibited. Section 12, paragraph 3. Any confession or admission obtained in violation of this or section 17 thereof shall be inadmissible in evidence against him. Section 12, paragraph 4. The law shall be provide for penal and civil sanction for violation of the sanction as well as compensation to end rehabilitation of victims of torture or similar practices and their families. Section 13. All persons except those charged with offense punishable by reclusion perpetua when evidence of guilt is strong. Should people conviction be believable by sufficient sureties or the release or recognized as may be provided by law. The right base should not be impaired even when the privilege of the right of habeas corpus and suspended expressive bill shall not be required. Section 14, paragraph 1. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. Section 14, paragraph 2. In all criminals prosecution, the accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary is provided, and shall enjoy the right to be heard by himself and counsel to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation against him, to have speedy, impartial, and public trial, to meet the witnesses face to face, and to compulsory process to secure attendance of witnesses and the prosecution of evidence in his behalf. However, after arraignment, trial may proceed notwithstanding the evidence of the accused, provided that has no delinquent and the failure of appear is unjustifiable. Section 15. The privilege of the writ of habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in cases of invasion or rehabilitation when the public safety requires it. Section 16. All persons shall have the right to speedy disappoint of their cases before all judicial or administrative bodies. Section 17. No person shall be complied to be witnesses against himself. Section 18. No person shall be detained slowly by reason of his political beliefs and aspiration. Section 18, paragraph 2. No involuntary servitude in any form shall exist except as a punishment for a crime thereof the party shall be have been duly convicted. Section 19, paragraph 1. Excessive fines shall be not be imposed, nor crucial, degrading, or inhuman punishment inflicted, neither shall the death penalty be imposed unless for compelling reasons involving heinous crimes the Congress hitherto provided for it. Any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced the reclusion perpetua. Section 19, paragraph 2. The employment of psychological, or degrading punishment against any persons or detained, or the use of some standards or inadequate penal facilities under subhuman constitution shall be dealt with by law. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for debt or no payment of a full tax. Section 21. No person shall be twice but the jeopardy of punishment for the same offense if an act is abolished by a law and an ordinance, conviction, or acquittal under either shall constitute a bar or to another prosecution for the same act. Section 22. No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall be enacted. Thank you.